Everybody is looking for a moment of peace and unity. Let the journey of Hajj 2024 inspire us all towards compassion and togetherness. Greetings to all embarking on the spiritual journey of Hajj this 2024. This ancient pilgrimage, one of the 5 pillars of Islam, calls millions from around the globe to the holy city of Mecca. It's a profound testament to faith, unity, and the human spirit. Whether you are participating directly or holding space in your heart from afar, each step taken by the pilgrims is a step toward greater understanding and harmony among all of us. As you walk in the footsteps of the Prophet, may your path be filled with peace and your spirit be uplifted. To all the pilgrims and their families, may this Hajj bring blessings, profound peace, and a renewed sense of purpose. From wherever you are watching, join us in sending thoughts of safety, health, and spiritual fulfillment to all those on this sacred journey. Hajj Mubarak.